Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important update regarding the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and a heartfelt apology for our previous misinformation. Stay tuned. About a week ago, we published an exclusive article claiming that Samsung had ditched the Galaxy S25 Plus. Well, it turns out that information was incorrect. Here's what happened and what you need to know about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. In our previous article, Arenka Milmaz, who was writing for us at the time, reported that the Galaxy S25 Plus was not part of Samsung's upcoming lineup. This information was based on model numbers he spotted in the GSMA database, where the Galaxy S25 Plus was nowhere to be found. However, it turns out that the Galaxy S25 Plus is very much alive and well. The phone surfaced in the database later than its siblings, which led to the initial confusion. It's now confirmed that the Galaxy S25 Plus will launch alongside the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra, as initially expected. We deeply apologize for the misinformation. Allowing inaccurate information to be published is below our standard, and we are committed to doing better in the future. We strive to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Moving forward, we're excited about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Samsung is sticking to a flagship smartphone lineup consisting of 3 devices: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Thank you for your understanding and support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series and other tech news. See you in the next video.